Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the Puff Secret indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator can display 6 of the well-known indicators on the chart for us and plot the price divergence with these indicators on the chart. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the indicator that we want to plot on the chart here.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Which we can choose from among the RSI, CCI, MACD, Stochastic, Awesome Oscillator, and Momentum indicators. Following that, we have the settings for each of these indicators, and when this option is set to a specific indicator, the settings related to that particular indicator will be applied. The first option is for the RSI period, the next is for the CCI period, then we have 3 options for the MACD, which are the fast moving average period, the slow moving average period, and the signal period. We also have 3 parameters for the stochastic, %K, %D, and slowing. The last option is also the period for the momentum indicator. The next section is related to the settings for divergence. In this option, we can choose the type of divergence it shows us, whether it should be regular, hidden, or display both. The next option is the minimum number of candles in which divergence occurs, and we can specify this minimum number. The next option is the maximum number. We have 2 options for the color of the divergences, where we can set the color for bullish and bearish divergences as desired. We can determine the width of the line drawn for the divergence and choose the style of that line from among these options. The next option is the alert mode, which, if set to true, will alert us when a divergence occurs. The next option activates the alert in audio form and plays the file we enter here as an alert. And the following option is the alert via email, and the last option is the number of candles that appear in the past chart and are used for calculations. Let's test this indicator live on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. The inputs of the indicator in the MT4 version are exactly the same as the inputs of the indicator in the MT5 version. Let's test this indicator live on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.